In this lesson, you will learn the following. This lesson is based on the following business scenario. A goods receipt is an inventory management transaction that describes an inward movement of materials, either with or without reference to a purchase order. Begin by going to Logistics. Go to Materials Management. Go to Purchasing. Now go to Purchase Order. Go to Follow-on Functions. When you receive items you have ordered, a goods receipt transaction records this business event in SAP. Let's start Transaction MeGo for the goods receipt. The first thing you need to do is to find the purchase order for the item that was just delivered. The vendor who delivered the item is vendor number 3815. Now let's select the material number for the flat screen monitor. Enter the material description and press the Enter key. Select the highlighted material. Click the Continue icon. Now click on the Find button to find all purchase orders for vendor 3815 and for the selected material number. SAP found 3 purchase orders for this vendor and material combination. Click on the Adopt button to transfer the purchase order information into this goods receipt transaction. Well done! We do not need the search results section at the bottom of your screen anymore, so let's close that now. Here you can see the items from the purchase order. Let's finish this lesson by creating the goods receipt. You have received exactly 1 flat screen monitor, just like it was ordered. That is all it takes to record this goods receipt. Before you post it, let's check for any potential errors. No errors exist. Notice the success message at the bottom of your screen and the green light indicating that this goods receipt can be posted now. Good job! You have posted the goods receipt.
Now that you have posted the goods receipt, The corresponding purchase order has been updated. Let's look at the purchase order by starting the display transaction.
The header information for this purchase order shows that one item was ordered and one item was delivered. Therefore, no additional items need to be delivered. The bottom section of your screen shows the line item details. Scroll down to see the complete history for this purchase order. Notice the goods receipt transaction that was posted for this purchase order. Well done! You have just learned how to post a goods receipt.